Julianne Tufiev, factory girl. I am a factory girl and I love factories. Everything we love has been created in a factory, and today I'm showing to you the process of creation.
Stay tuned until the end of the video to learn how we've created the giver's jacket. If you love making clothes, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. This video is an open collaboration among wonderful creators, hosted by Crafty Hints and co-hosted by Rustic and Lace DIY and 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. All the links to the wonderful creators in description.
While lots of mentors out there are really sleepwalking, deploying common strategies of student attractions by showing them expensive homes, cars and even helicopters, which are not even theirs but are rented for the shooting, Akbar Sheikh is changing the world one student at a time. His message is clean and powerful. His message is the very reason why I joined Akbar Sheikh's Mastermind. His message resonated with me on such a deep level that I've instantly decided to do what I do best, namely to design a very special jacket for Akbar Sheikh's Mastermind. As a fashion inventor, I'm not impressed by swag garments available out there whatsoever. Most of them are really cheap and most importantly, they do not reflect the cause in any way. My mission was to create something very special. It had to be a jacket that carries the mission of Akbar's cause in its very heart. It was very clear to me from the very beginning that it had to be a pilot jacket. Akbar is the pilot of his own life, and this is exactly what he teaches his students, to take the steering wheel of their aircraft into their own hands and carry blessings, teachings and wealth to those who need it. It is a high quality and high integrity mastermind. All this had to be reflected in the pilot jacket of the Givers Club. I've chosen the clean fitted style of a pilot jacket carried out in high quality Japanese faux suede with very present lines of black metallic YKK zippers. Those zippers are like windows of responsibility, undeniable, worn with pride and integrity and full of fearlessness to be opened at any moment the world needs us. It had to be a lightweight garment executed using new technologies. Even though Akbar's mission is old and noble as the world, I felt it deserves a new implementation to shake people awake. We've used textile bonding technology, allowing us to carry out this garment without the old-fashioned lining while being fully lined. Bonding of two textiles represent the process of bonding between the people of our world. And we have used the laser cut technology to perpetuate Akbar's mission in fire. Make more, give more. Akbar, thank you so much for your guidance, for your inspiration. Thank you. Julianne Tufiev, the Fashion Invention Bootcamp.